Okay, so this is the container. Gotta go check on the dogs. They're barking at something. This is the outside of the container. Walk all the way around. It's muddy. Pretty cool. We got the generator going right now so they can run their tools inside. We're doing the plumbing. We're going to work on the spackle today. Where are the other dogs, I wonder? These are the stairs going to the hatch. There they are. Drywall that's finished, almost. It's going to be the kitchen. What's going to be over here? Nothing? We're not really sure yet. Hi Tom, Brandon. This is going to be the bathroom. Which one's Charlie's bedroom?
The master bedroom.
The master bedroom. The one with the escape hatch.
So women have a chance to get out from under them.
Yeah. This is going to be Charlie's master bedroom. It's not drywalled yet. We're working on it. There's another escape hatch up there as well. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And the fireplace. And the other bedroom. This is pretty small. I don't know how you're going to fit a bed in here. How are you going to fit a bed in here?
Bunk beds.
Bunk beds in here. Uh-oh. Power. Oh, it's back on. This is the rest of the drywall that needs to go up. There's some plumbing that's done over there, if you can see that.
More plumbing.
What? And some more plumbing that's going to be going up. And what else to show you?
Outside.
A window? We already walked all the way around outside. This is going to be the shitters.
It's the cooking area, that's the meth lab.
Shh. Don't tell them. We're not really sure why it's up off the ground. So plumbing can go under it, I guess. And we're at 3 minutes now, so I'm going to call her a day. Bye.